Sabi ko nga, ayaw naming illegitimize na si Mr. Erwin Tulfo ang Blue Ribbon Committee. Pero haharap kami kahit saang venue, no? Kahit saang venue, haharap kami. Anday kung magtatanong sila, sasagot kami. No mistake about it. If we are asked, we will answer. At ito po ang gusto kong i-emphasize. Lahat ng gustong marinig ang mga nalalaman ng mga sundalong ito ay pauunlakan nila ang inyong imbitasyon. From the very beginning, we are committed to help any government agency and the Filipino people as a whole to discover or even uncover the truth. The danger only is if that body or entity have already decided what should be the truth. Wala na kaming magagawa doon.